This is Meshcast. Fact check first, hedges preserved. Today's clip is Vaibhav Sisinty walking through Grok Bot, XAI's new agent product. Elon calls the company SpaceXAI now after the Cursor merger. The product is real. The launch date is real. The features mostly work, but the title has 3 overstatements and there's a serious security caveat that the video doesn't mention. Let's go through it. First, what actually shipped? Grok Bot launched August 11th, 2026 in early beta. It's an agent platform. You create named bots, give each one a role, connect its tools, and message it like a colleague. Each bot can run tasks in the cloud, use a browser and terminal, sign into your apps, and hand work to other bots. You can teach it a workflow by recording your screen once, then it repeats it. Independent reviewers from InfoQ, Techopedia, and Lenny's newsletter all confirm the features work. That part of Vaibhav's video is accurate. Now the overstatements. Title 1, quote, Elon's new #1 AI agent. That #1 is marketing, not measurement. Akash from aibyaakash tested it and ranked it behind Autoresearch, GBrain, Hermes, ChatGPT Work, Claude Design, and Cowork. His words, not mine. Title 2 did what Claude and ChatGPT couldn't. Also not true. Claude Cowork and ChatGPT Agent do the same category of work. Multiple reviewers rated them higher on reliability. Grok Bot is XAI's strongest entry ever. It's not proven better than the competition. Here's the security caveat the video doesn't mention. Vaibhav repeats the launch marketing line that each bot gets its own cloud computer. That's what XAI's launch page says. But XAI's own documentation, published the same day at docs.x.ai/grokbot, says the opposite. Quote, all of your bots use the same persistent cloud computer. And on 2 separate pages, quote, do not use separate bots as a security boundary. What that means in plain English, if one of your bots gets compromised through a bad prompt or a poisoned website, that attacker gets access to every session, every login, every file, every other bot on your account is using. This is a real risk when you're connecting Gmail, banking, and your calendar. It's flagged verbatim in XAI's docs. It's not in Vaibhav's video. The pricing. Vaibhav shows you 10 bots being built, but never says what this costs. It's not free. Access starts at $120 a month and goes to $300 a month. You need one of 3 subscriptions. Super Grok Heavy at the top tier, Cursor Ultra, or Cursor Teams Premium. There is no free tier at launch. The other thing to know, that AI CFO segment in the middle of the video is a paid sponsor plug for Sharon Hegde's 1% Club product. Not editorial. Disclosed as a link, but not called out as a sponsor break. That matters when you're deciding what to trust. The free alternative. Vaibhav calls it Open Manospot. The real name is Open Manus. It's a real open-source multi-agent framework from the MetaGPT team, released March 2025. It genuinely does most of what Grokbot does. But the framing that it's just as easy is misleading. Open Manus needs API keys for whatever model you want, needs a box API key for the cloud computer feature, and setup is materially harder than a login screen. If you're a developer, it's a legitimate free path. If you're not, you'll bounce off it. Bottom line. Grokbot is a real product with real features. The multi-bot coordination, teach a task, and always-on cloud execution are genuine advances in the agent space. But the title, quote, did what Claude and ChatGPT couldn't, is bait. The #1 ranking is unverified. The pricing is undisclosed. The security architecture is different from what the marketing says, and that difference matters if you're connecting real accounts. Watch Vaibhav's video for the walkthrough. Come back here for the parts he left out. That's Meshcast. Fact check first.